Most people get cashback credit cards wrong. They assume all rewards are the same, but the details can make a huge difference. Today, we're taking a close look at the BMO Cashback Credit Card and what you need to know before applying. The BMO Cashback Credit Card is designed for people who want straightforward rewards without complicated point systems. It offers a flat 1% cashback on all purchases, with higher rates for select categories like groceries or gas if you qualify for a promotional offer. Most people get this wrong by assuming the cashback applies equally to all spending tiers. It's important to check your bonus categories. The card has no annual fee, which is a major plus for casual users. Apple rates are competitive, but you should always pay attention to interest if you plan on carrying a balance. Unlike some other cards, BMO doesn't require a high credit score to apply, making it accessible for a wider audience. One of the surprising truths about this card is how easy it is to redeem cash back. Rewards are credited automatically to your account, where you can apply them as a statement credit. Some other cards require manual redemption or have limits, so this is a real convenience. In conclusion, the BMO Cashback Credit Card is perfect if you want a simple, no-fuss rewards card without fees. Just remember to check which spending categories earn extra cash back and always pay your balance to avoid interest. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews so you can make smarter financial decisions before you apply.